Yibunei HaMikdash Hirtzio inte malai O korles ozman.
Looking for wisdom that speaks to your heart? Say hello to Rabbi Joseph Kolakowski, the Koblenzer Rebbe. Rabbi Joseph Kolakowski, the Koblenzer Rebbe, brings ancient wisdom to today's world. Each week he dives into the Noam Elimelech, unraveling profound insights from the Parsha. Whether you're deeply versed in Torah study or just beginning your journey, Rabbi Kolakowski's teachings are accessible and inspiring. His unique approach not only sheds light on the text but also offers practical guidance for modern life. So, why not join us and discover the timeless wisdom of the Noam Elimelech? With Rabbi Kolakowski, every Parsha becomes a path to deeper understanding and personal growth. Tune in and let the Koblenzer Rebbe illuminate your week with Torah truths that resonate. Subscribe now to stay inspired and spiritually connected.
Shalom and blessings, welcome to our channel. Every Wednesday, Rabbi Kolakowski, affectionately known as the Koblenzer Rebbe, shares a teaching from the holy Hasidic volume, Noam Elimelech. This week, for Parshas Vayeitzei, the Rebbe Reb Melech teaches a homily on Genesis chapter 29 verse 2, explaining how blessings can come even when there seem to be barriers in the way, and how those barriers can be redeemed. Let's watch.
Baruch Hashem, welcome everyone. Every Wednesday we try to learn a little bit from the holy Rebbe Elimelech from Lezhensk. This week's Parsha is Parshas Vayeitzei. We read in the book of Genesis, Vayomer, or you could say Vayar v'hinei ber basada. And he saw and behold there was a well in the field. V'hinei anu omer melekei Avraham. The Heilige Rebbe Melech says, behold, we say God of Abraham, v'achrikachu kel gadol. So we say the God of Abraham, God of Isaac, God of Jacob, and then we say the God who is great, mighty, and awesome. Zeu echad. These are both pointing to the same archetypical ideas. That when we speak of the patriarchs, only the three, Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, are called patriarchs. And their source in the higher worlds are called by the names of these archetypes: greatness, which is the sphere of chesed, kindness; gvura, strength; tiferes, beauty. Because Gadol is Chesed, that's Avraham; Gibor is Gvura, is Yitzchak; and Norah, his first Nikra Norah Kiyodua, that Tiferes, which is Yaakov, which is Jacob, is called Norah, awesome, as is known. So all of the deeds that we perform, whether it's the devotion of Torah study and the performance of the precepts of the commandments, the mitzvos, is in order to pour down all of the blessings from above down to the level of Malchus, of the kingdom, Anikris Ber Mayim Chaim, which is called by the archetype of the well of living waters. That's the meaning of behold, they found a well in the field, and there were 3 flocks of shepherds with sheep who came to remove the stone from the well. So the patriarchs are called these shepherds who are giving down these blessings through them, by God, through them to us, through this attribute of Malchus, of the kingdom. And that's what it means, that from that well they gave water, they gave to drink. What's the problem? There's a big stone on top of the well. It's known that the exterior superficial forces of evil are called a stone of a plague. That's what's holding back the blessings, the outpouring. That's the meaning of that they rolled off the stone from the mouth of the well, to removing these external, superficial forces of evil, in order that the flow of blessing should come. But then they returned the stone back to its place, because the Talmud tells us that in the future the devil will be slaughtered. The evil inclination will be slaughtered. And all of the shells, all of the superficial forces of evil will be removed and destroyed from the earth. However, within everything is spirituality, even within those forces. There is a spark of holiness. That's what we'll mean. When everything will go back to holiness soon in our days. Amen. Ken Yiratzon. Amen. So may be God's will. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment. We'll see you later.
We hope you enjoyed this content. This channel has over 5,000 videos, including Torah commentary, podcasts, footage of Jewish and historical events, and much more. We are sure you will find more videos you will enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell button, and comment. Rabbi Kolakowski often makes videos based on questions in the comment section, so you might have a video made just for you. By helping this channel grow, you are helping to spread Torah. God bless.
Looking for wisdom that speaks to your heart? Say hello to Rabbi Joseph Kolakowski, the Koblenzer Rebbe. Rabbi Joseph Kolakowski, the Koblenzer Rebbe, brings ancient wisdom to today's world. Each week he dives into the Noam Elimelech, unraveling profound insights from the Parsha. Whether you're deeply versed in Torah study or just beginning your journey, Rabbi Kolakowski's teachings are accessible and inspiring. His unique approach not only sheds light on the text but also offers practical guidance for modern life. So, why not join us and discover the timeless wisdom of the Noam Elimelech? With Rabbi Kolakowski, every Parsha becomes a path to deeper understanding and personal growth. Tune in and let the Koblenzer Rebbe illuminate your week with Torah truths that resonate. Subscribe now to stay inspired and spiritually connected.
Yibnei HaMikdash, Hirtzia in the Mala.